Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to import your saved passwords into Google Chrome using the latest method. Whether you're switching devices or just want all your logins in one place, this process is simple and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all options are visible and working properly. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. This is your main menu. From there, select Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page, where all your browsing and account preferences are managed. Now find and tap on Password Manager. This section stores all your saved login information and security details linked to your Google account. At the bottom right corner of the Password Manager page, tap the settings icon. This small gear symbol opens a few important options related to password management. From this menu, choose Import Passwords. Chrome will ask for confirmation, so go ahead and confirm that you want to import passwords. Next, the file selection window will appear. Choose the CSV file that contains your saved passwords. This is the file you may have exported earlier from another browser or password manager. Once you've selected it, tap Done. Chrome will automatically start importing your saved credentials.